Welcome back. Earlier in the course, you learned how digital marketing and e-commerce are continuing to change the business landscape. You found out a little about careers in these industries, including core skills, day-to-day responsibilities, job titles, and career paths. Finally, you considered some of the skills you already have that can help you advance your career. Now it's time to explore the ways that digital marketing and e-commerce create value for companies and for their customers. In this part of the course, you'll learn how companies use digital channels to reach customers and explore foundational concepts that can turn potential buyers into loyal customers. Lastly, you'll learn why measuring marketing performance is so important to success. Digital marketing is constantly growing and changing. That's part of what makes it an exciting field to work in. But some things are always important, like raising awareness, fostering trust, and building loyalty. The methods may change, but learning the fundamentals can help you adapt and grow along with the field. Are you ready? Let's get started.